Good morning, students. Class 4, Subject Social Studies. Lesson number 2, Directions. Lecture number 6. Students, today we will learn more about the cardinal and intermediate directions. That how to reach the place by the help of map directions. So, now let's come to learn that how can we use a map. So now let's start. Students, first of all, we should see the direction. So, as I told you that there is east on a right hand, there is west on a left hand, there is north on the upper side and there is south on the downside, but it's a cardinal direction. Now, moving to the more example of directions. As we all know that N stands for north, S stands for south, E stands for east, and W stands for west. So, look at the picture. Sun rises in the east and sets in the west. Take your left hand and point it towards the direction of the sun. Your left hand is now pointing east. Now, take your right hand and point it in the opposite direction of your left hand. Your right hand is now pointing west. You are now facing south and your back is toward the north. Now come to learn about the intermediate directions. So students, in between the north and east there is northeast direction, and in between the east and south there is southeast direction, and in between the south and west there is southwest direction, and in between the west and north there is northwest direction. Okay, now look at the map. In the middle of the map there is a school. There is playground on the upper side of a school, means in the north direction. In the bottom of the school there is bookstore in the direction of south. There is shopping mall to the east, and to the west there is post office. To the direction of northwest there is a bakery, and to the northeast there is a police station. To the direction of southeast there is a departmental store, and on the direction of southwest you can see a hospital. Students, with the help of compass rules we can easily find any place. Students, can you find the way of any place with the help of this direction? Yes, you can. You can easily find the place with the knowledge of direction. The distance between two places can be measured with the help of map scale. Students, it's your assignment, so solve it and submit it in school. It's all about today's lecture. I hope everything is clear to you. All the best. Thank you.